get him, Abbers. Good job. Oh, look at all the toys. There's your Curtis. And look how good you sit up. Say hi, everybody. Say, I can crawl and I can sit. Big girl. These jammies make it kind of hard on slippery floor. Back to the pile. What do we want? Oh, yeah. That's from your Auntie Jenna and Bonnie. Abberdabbers! Hi! Oh, and there's your dolly from Grandma T. Should we show them your curls? Can you see your curls? It's on the right hand side. There it is. She's got a curl. Strike a pose. Oh yeah, get that bear. Abbers! Say hi, everybody. I love you. Love you, miss you. Can't wait to see you. Huh? Oh, what about this whole combo here? We got a combo. Those ones are all attached. Such a good sitter. Open. Say bye, everybody.